When you're purchasing real estate, closing costs are fees that you have to pay when you make that purchase. When you go to settlement, when you go to closing, you will have some closing costs, some expenses. What are they? If you're using a bank to secure financing, normally some of your closing costs will be associated with that lending institution. You'll pay maybe a point or more or less to secure the financing. A point is 1% of the loan amount. You might even pay discount points to buy a lower interest rate. And there may be some other fees associated with your lender. You're going to pay probably for title insurance. You should pay for title insurance. You'll pay a good attorney or title company to do the closing for you, and you'll pay someone to have searched that title before you get the title insurance. You'll have some recording fees. You will likely have some prepaid items, which are your homeowner's insurance and maybe even some taxes paid in advance if an escrow account is being set up. Your closing costs tend to be a little bit less if you're paying cash as opposed to getting a loan. But closing costs, some people will throw your actual down payment into that category. Most will differentiate and they'll say down payment and closing cost. This is the total that you'll have to have at the closing. So those are your expenses. Sometimes as a buyer, you'll find that a seller will pay something toward your closing cost. And maybe your closing cost will even consist of some commissions that you are paying to your agent to help you buy that house. Maybe the seller will pay that for you, maybe they won't, but closing costs collectively is just this lump sum of money that you'll have to complete the purchase.